Hello there. So I just wanted to quickly go over cause and effect. This is the target skill for lesson 22, and I'm sure many of you already know about cause and effect, but it is one of the skills that we need to talk about this week. So we are going to discuss it, and you do have an assignment on it, but I think you're going to do great because it's, like I said, I think you've done this before, and once you start some, I think you'll kind of get the hang of it. So basically, this is your assignment here. There's two worksheets, okay? So this first sheet gives you the definition. So a cause is a person, event, condition, or reason that is responsible for any action or result, okay? So basically, whatever a cause is, it's the reason why then something happens, which is the effect. So the effect, as this says, is a result brought about by a cause or an agent or an action, basically. Um, so if I said to you, I was late for school because I didn't hear my alarm clock. Okay, so I was late for school is the effect. What's the effect of? What's it the result of? The fact that I didn't wake up to my alarm clock. Okay, so so the cause is that I didn't wake up to my alarm clock. What was the effect of that? I was late to school. Okay, um, so I'm going to do the first one with you, and I'll show you how the sheet works. Okay, so basically what I did here is, first of all, it says identify if the underlined phrase is a cause or an effect. So each sentence has an underlined part of the phrase, part of the statement. You need to let me know, is it the cause or the effect? Okay. So this says, we turned up the heat since it was getting cold. Okay. We turned up the heat is the underlined phrase, right? Since it was getting cold. So we turned up the heat. Is that the cause? Meaning, did we did we turn up the heat because of an effect of it getting cold, or is we turned up the heat an effect because it was getting cold? So that's what you got to try to figure out. So we turned up the heat since it was getting cold. So this would actually be the effect. And all you're going to do is click on the little circle and a box will appear, and then just put an X. Okay, that tells me which answer you picked. So we turned up the heat. That's the effect. That's the result of the fact that it was getting cold out. So since it was getting cold was the cause of me turning up the heat. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I'm going to do one more with you, actually. So Tom and Matt are good friends because they have many common hobbies. Okay, so Tom and Matt are good friends because they have many common hobbies. Okay, so so would Tom and Matt are good friends be the cause or effect? This would also be the effect, and here is why. The reason being is that Tom and Matt, they have many common hobbies, meaning they like to do the same things. And because of that, they are good friends. So that's sort of the result of that. Okay. All right. So you're going to finish it off. You're just going to tell me whether it's the cause or the effect for each one. All right. The second sheet here, we're going to do the first one together. This one, you have to write what is the cause and what is the effect of the sentence, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take a look. So let's read the sentence. Tim forgot his math book, so he was unable to complete his homework. Tim forgot his math book, so he was unable to complete his homework. So the cause here is that Tim forgot his math book, okay? The effect, what happened because he forgot his math book? He was unable to complete his homework, okay? So Tim forgot his book, that's the cause. What happened because of that? What was the result or the effect? He couldn't do his math, he's gonna do his homework, okay? So you're gonna do the same thing for each one. You're gonna read the sentence, okay? And you're going to type in what the cause piece of the sentence is and what the effect was. Now remember, sometimes the cause might be at the beginning of the sentence, sometimes it might be at the end of the sentence. So you have to really pay attention to the sentence and think about, okay, what what caused this to happen? What was the effect and what caused that to happen? Okay? All right, I hope this video helps. Please let us know if you have questions. Reach out to us and we'll chat soon. Bye.